Hey, it's your girl Kimberly. I'm gonna try to do a rose with this. It is not a scarf. This is just some scrap fabric. Someone has a scarf, and they wanted to see if they can do it. Okay, so this is my right hand. This is my left hand, and I'm gonna probably end up tucking the rest of this. But let's just see. We need a knot first, so we're gonna go around, all the way around, and then we're gonna tuck it down in here to make our knot. Okay? Okay, so now we're just gonna fold some of it down, and we're gonna hold on to that while we twist. We're gonna twist this and put it over there. You're just going to keep going around in a circle. Make sure you're twisting this as you go around. So give me just a second. You're going to twist and go around. You're just going to keep going around. But as you're going around, just make sure you twist in your scarf. Okay? Okay, just like that. It should be looking like that. So again, you want to twist. And make sure you're keeping your hands on this part right here. Twist. Twist, and you want to just keep going around. Keep laying it around, okay? Okay, so now I have reached the end. So I want to take this and I want to stick this side down in this knot that I made at the beginning. If I can find it. Let me find it. Okay, so once I stuck this piece in the knot, I pulled on this piece to tighten it. Okay? And so you probably don't want it to look like that, right? So we'll fix that one later. So you want to take this around also and stick it in the knot. So hold on, let me find my knot. Okay, so I stuck that down in the knot, the first knot that I made. I stuck that down in there, and I just kind of flared this out. If you don't want that out and you want it just tucked in as well, then you could do that. You could leave it tucked in, or you could just kind of have it, or you could have